A deadly day of construction work at JFK International Airport. Just after 11 a.m. Monday, the Port Authority says 2 workers became trapped under construction rubble while relocating utility lines. It happened around Building 49, a power plant providing energy for JFK's redevelopment project. Sources tell Pix 11 News that a concrete slab fell on the workers while they were down in a 30-foot trench. The Port Authority issued a stop order on all construction at JFK Monday and says the temporary safety stand-down remains in effect until safety reviews are conducted. Governor Kathy Hochul tweeted Monday afternoon, quote, "My thoughts are with the loved ones of 2 people tragically killed while working on a construction site at JFK Airport earlier today. The Port Authority is conducting a thorough investigation of the incident." Port Authority says no flights were affected and has yet to release the names of the victims. We reached out to Triumph Construction for comment and are waiting to hear back. Reporting live outside of JFK International Airport, I'm Katie Corrado, Pix 11 News.